Laguman ako, oy. Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alaudia and we are back and again for another vlog. For today's video guys, we are playing Animal Hospital. And today, bago magsisimula yung video, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Ngayon guys, andito ako sa labas at saka ang daming tao. Kaya nahiya ako mag-vlog. Kaya hinayin natin yung boses natin. Animal. Ayan guys, we are playing Animal Hospital and this is a horror. Of course. Bakit? Why am I so itim-itim? My skin color is itim-itim. And today we are going now. Ay, buang. Oo, jugudo. Ano na? Hey, wanna be friend? Let me talk to him for a while. The doctors will talk about what's in the basement. And then, what? Is that all? Idiot. What about this? I watched a patient reflection move independently yesterday. I don't understand. Bisag-isa lang. Wala ko sabot. Ala, apel ko! Apel ko! Wala, apel ko! Apel ko! Basa-basa, manggod. Guys, can I join? Please don't leave. Please don't leave. Monsta boy. Ay, alam ko na. Alam ko tong Bisaya to. Ambot lang. Tara! OMG, kami lang dalawa. By the way guys, umuulan dito. Alam nyo guys, lagi umuulan dito sa amin. Tsaka, pag uuwi ko sa school, lagi ako nababasa. My bag is basa. Yan. Gigi Moon. Wow, your character is so beautiful. Yulo, character ba yan eh? Oh. Ito yung ano, diba? Yung sa kadung-kading, padungding. Yeah, yan yun, diba? Close natin. I can see your message. Okay, let me know. Ano to? Anomaly? Mga anomaly ba yan? I'll be in room 1. Room 1? Ay, hotel ba yung inaano natin? Follow the person to the room. Follow the person to the room. Uy, amaw. Oh. It's have a CCTV. Oh, this is your room. Ay, hospital man din. Kala ko hotel. Ouch. Ay, sorry te. Yun lang, ouch. Anong gagawin? Oh, okay. Yes, you are a good now. Treatment. Uy! Ay, herbs. Ayan. You are good now. You don't have a sakit now. Patient recovering. You are so tagal-tagal. You are so low. Kalug. Hey, where is my kauban? Wow, Goras New, you're amazing. Yeah, thank you. I'm always amazing. I think I'm alone. Oh, yes! Kaibigan mo ako. Hurry up. Ay, sorry ba yun? Andyan ka pala. Ay, ganun pala. Yes, you're good. I don't. Lang, parang ako natatakot. Ay! I got room 2. Okay. Let's go. I hope I can get out first soon. Of course, you can get out. If you want it, take it. Naririnig ba yung pieces ko, guys? Okay, what next? What next? Next, then eh. Ouch! Ah! Ano sunod? Mama! Wala pa day. May momo! May momo ba? Saan? Ay, dara. Dried eyes siya. Mama! Anong gagawin, te? Ay, dito pala. Dito. Sorry for late. The doctor is arriving. Oh, the doctor is arriving. Anong gagawin? Ay, ayun na. Saan yung doktor? You must be the new if things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Okay. Ano daw? Where are you? What is this? 2,000. Excellent. Uy! Uy, bis! Bakit andyan yung picture ko, lo? Hala, wait lang. Ano mali yan? Ano mali yan, ha? Saan ka papunta? Bakit eh? Uy, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Dapat kasi dito eh, wala. Mama! I'm Smokey Taylor. Anong ginawa niya dyan? Anong gagawin? Uy! Wait lang. Lalapitan ko siya, wait lang. Wait lang, unahin muna natin to. Uy! Huwag ka madyan-dyan, bo. Let me check it. Okay, you're so pretty. Ayan na. Wait lang, let me know. Hoy! Can you please shut the fuck us to live? Ayan lang pala eh. Wait lang. Ah! Hoy, mama! Mama! Wait lang, ano yun? Pabilis ba? May customer pa. Ito, natatakot na ako eh. Huwag ka naman ganun, uy. Ako lang mag-isa. Okay, is it... Okay, we need that. Wait lang ba? May tao naman dito. Huh? Ano? Asaan? Ay, dito. Ay. Okay. Takot ako lumabas. Madali, palihog. Okay, let's go na. Hello, sorry sir, taking too long. Thanks, I will be in room 2. Mama, ano yun? Ay. Wala, the light is giving. Ay, the light is giving. Room 2, wala. Oh, ang creepy talaga. Saan nga room 2? Ay, dito nga. Open. Ang bilis ng customer. Okay. Lubot pa naman na. Oh. Ano daw? Bandage and thermo. Okay. Ano daw? Ito. Thermo and bandage. Where is the bandage? Ayan. Oh, yes! Kaibigan mo ako. Bleeding fever, di siya. Ay. Sorry. Ingang! Nah, bilis ah. Ay, is this going to be... Sorry ha! Magdali ka ron, kabonga. Alam mo naman na mag-isa lang ako dito. Huwag ka magbilis-bilis dyan. Kasi mag-isa lang ako dito. Let me check ka. Okay, you're so pretty but ang dami mong kagid-kagid. Thanks, I will be in room 5. Ah, room 5 pa talaga. Okay, dito. Ala, John. Hello. Parang matatakot ako dyan eh. Bilisan mo naman. Lo. Ano yun? Ikaw na mauna. Ikaw na mauna ha. Okay, walang moto. Baka may mag-ano dito ba? Sumilip ba? Bruce. Okay, medicine na. Ma, buhi pa ko ma. Ano naman ma? Ma, takot ako lumabas. Ano ba yan? Close mo na. Ay, wag na. Lubat na ko, be. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each year. You've saved my life. Okay. Lo! Ay, akala ko nung meron. Oh my gosh, the shop is open. Yay, magkasama na ako. Saan yan? Doktor, saan ka pupunta, doktor? Ano bang light pa yan? Baka mag-run out na naman dito. Palisin mo yung ID ko. I am Oreo Woods. Wow, Oreo. Tapos kahoy, I have an appointment. Okay, you're ugly. Sa kading padung, pading-ding. Yeah! Room 1. Okay, yan, galing. Oh. Room 1, dito. Dito. Bakit open yan? Close natin yan. Ayan. Ikaw na mag-open. Close natin yan. Ay. Uy, B, marinig nyo ba yung boses ko? Ouch. Ouch, ouch ka dyan. Ganyan talaga. Oh. Okay, marja po thermo and bandage. Yung light ba? Ano ba? Thermo and bandage. Ano bang light ba yan? Lagi mag-ano, palong-palong. Ayan. Okay na. Thank you, doctor. I'm not a doctor. I'm a human. Ilaga. Asa mo ko? Hala. Wow, coffee. I give coffee. Ay, may coffee pa talaga. Kala ko yung mga may masakit pa. May coffee pa. This day is amazing. Thanks, friend. I'm not your friend. I needed that. I will remember this. Hindi naman to natatakot yung laro na to. And na tayo or part 2. Part 2, of course. Ano next? Uy, wala namang objective. Wala nang ay, check and patience. Asa man nadapit ang patience? Ayun. Uy! Oh, I have an appointment. Ayan. Let's go. Thanks. I will be in room 4. Okay. Di pa natin yan try yung room 4, diba? Okay. Ay, 6, 7. Hala, may 6 at 7 at 9 pala. Kala ko 1 to 5 lang. Ayan, dito, dito. Uy, ang tagal mo, B. Ako na una. Wala! Uy, kinsa na, oy. Sa mukha, oy. Ha, unggoy. Buri nga ng games, oy. Wamay jumpscare. Ay, ganahan sa jumpscare. Bisag yan. Nahadlock ba? Gid iyang ko. Sakit. Ay, medicine. Oh, yan. Bilis, no? Diba? Perfect! Mana? Don't expect me to say it twice. Hula, tay! Hurry up now, ma! Buang! Hula. Hula, tay! Sige, nilo dara. Ah! Hala! Hala! Paano palisin? Ay, ito close. Ay, tagal mo close. What? No service. Hala, nagagalit siya. Anong gagawin? Open na ba natin? Wah! Ay! Laki ng smile. Hey, I want to check in as a patient. Ano? I-close ba natin yan? Bahala ko diyo. Ah! Natatakot ako! No service. Yes, what kind of place is this? Okay, open na. Ayan, innocent faces. Dugmok. I'm Lona song. Wow, song singer kate. I want to check is a Ayan. Thanks. Room 1. Okay, let's go. Ay. Baliw. Let's go na, be. Hello. Wah! Ano to? Di mo siya mamak. Hello. Mama! Mama! Ma, buhay pa kumangon naman na. Hello, na-disconnect. May wifi. Sabay. May wifi naman ako. Bakit disconnect? Baka sa games na to, be. Natatakot ako. End ng vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.